Good morning, guys and girls. So it's early morning here in the beautiful state of Georgia. It's cold, 42 degrees. I'm having my coffee, more cream than coffee this morning. If you're a subscriber, you know I've done a couple of videos about the Wig Fix by the Renatural Company. I did an initial review, I did a 1-month follow-up, and then I also did a very short Instagram video showing how well this holds your wig in place. I wanted to do another video, full day wear test. It seems that a lot of you have questions about how well it holds, what it does to the skin, many questions. So I'm hoping to answer all of those in this one video. Some wearers who are not real experienced with the Wig Fix have wondered if the silicone is actually good for your skin. Well, absolutely it is. In fact, burn victims are given silicone gel sheets to use on their skin for scar management. The silicone feels like a soft gel and it's a little bit stretchy. Now, it's reported to last up to 2 years. I don't know that we can put that to a test in this particular video, but certainly I intend to use this product until it wears out, so I will let you know. It's 8:53 in the morning. Here's what we're going to do. It's early morning. I'm going to apply the Wig Fix right now before I put my wig on, because I'm getting ready to start my day. I have to put my eye contacts in and my makeup on and all that good stuff. I'm going to wear both the wig grip and the Jon Renau Human Hair Kim wig. I just washed her the other day. This is what she looks like in her natural state, which I love. I love the natural waves. And we're going to see if the wig grip holds Kim secure throughout the day. So I'm going to put Kim on my head and show you how to line up the wig grip. As you can see, I have it at my hairline. And you just apply the wig like you would over any other grip, or even if you don't use a grip. It's pretty simple. Just get it in place. And as you can see, you can't even tell that the wig grip is there. It's so ultra thin and it's clear, so you can't even see it through the monofilament tops or your lace parts. It's virtually invisible. I'm not going to use any glue, any adhesives, just the Wig Fix. All right, so we have Kim in place, and now I can start getting ready for my day. Let's get started. So I have a new puppy. His name is Barkley. He's a rescue. He's part Yorkshire Terrier. He's about 14 weeks old. And let me assure you, the Wig Fix has been tested with Barkley because he has pulled at my wig more than once and I have had no slipping. One major test for any gripper is putting on a long sleeve shirt. I don't know if you've ever been at the gym and you're changing your clothes, say you have your wig on, and you try to put your shirt on and your wig slips. Well, I've learned that with the Wig Fix, this does not happen. And you put it on, you don't have to worry about your wig slipping or sliding. Okay, so I have my eye contacts in, my makeup is done, I'm ready to start my day. I'll check in every few hours letting you know how the wig grip feels against my scalp. I'll let you know if I do anything that has caused the wig to slip and slide. In fact, if I do anything active, I'll film that just so you can see. I've had the Wig Fix on now for a couple of hours. I've been out here trying to decorate the Christmas tree that's going to be on my front porch. It's been a struggle. I've had to change the lights twice because I found a couple that were not properly lighting. So I finally have a strand that's working. But In wearing the Wig Fix under my wig so far, do I know it's there? I do, but only at the front. It's interesting, the thin silicone material really is comfortable to wear, except just at the very front, probably maybe due to physics, where the pressure of the wig is, I don't know. It's like I know it's there. Does it hurt? No. Is it terribly uncomfortable? No. It's just I'm aware that it's there. That being said, when I wear my velvet wig grips, I have an even bigger awareness that it's there, because those are much thicker, they're bulkier. I can feel that more on my head than I can the Wig Fix. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So now I'm going to run some errands. I have to go to the post office and the pharmacy. I have not had any hair pulling. I haven't had any skin pulling. I haven't had any pain or discomfort. I did have a question that someone sent me in a private message on Instagram asking me if the Wig Fix hurts or pinches behind the ear. I have never had that happen, and in fact, take a quick look at how this product lays behind the ear. The Wig Fix is so thin and it's smooth. Hey guys, it's 6 o'clock at night. I had to change to a heavier sweater because the temperature has dropped here quite a bit. It's very cold. I'm meeting a girlfriend for dinner, so I thought I would straighten the Human Hair Kim wig that I have on. And this is another big bonus with the Wig Fix, is that if you wear a heat-defiant wig or a human hair wig, you can style them on your head, pull as much as you want, and the wig will not slip or slide off your head while you're styling. It's 9:03 in the evening. Well, it's after 9 o'clock and I'm going to be taking my makeup off, my eye contacts out, and take my wig off so I can get into my pajamas. I'm just such a fan of the Wig Fix. It's held my wig in place all day long. I love the fact that it's not going to move. It's not going to budge, which is fantastic. Now, let's take the Wig Fix off, because I want to take a look here, a close-up of my skin. You know, you can see the indents that they leave. My scalp is not all that sensitive. This does not bother me. All day wear, I can't feel it. It doesn't hurt me. I'm not uncomfortable. And then when I take it off, I mean, I see the indentations there, but there's no pain. There's no redness. I'm very pleased with the product. So if you have any questions about the Wig Fix, I'm more than happy to answer. You can leave your questions in the comment section below. Well, thank you so much for watching my full day test of the Wig Fix. Take care. Bye-bye.